Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Thanks for watching my channel, and this channel is all about hair business and hair knowledge. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's video we will talk about the size of the bundle. Here is all our hair, some of our hairs here, because some customer is asking why sometimes like this kind of question, like why this hair bundle looks smaller than this one, like this, or like this is flat bundles and these are round bundles, and like why this hair bundle looks smaller than this one. And so today let's talk about this. This has something to do with the fullness and the tricks in the hair bundles. Firstly, you have to understand, and the first and very important thing is all these bundles, no matter it's 20 inches or no matter it's only 8 inches or 30 inches, they are all 100 grams. So here we have the bundles are 20 inches, 22 inches, and some 26 inches, and every one of them are just 100 grams. So the longer the hair is, the heavier it is. So to achieve 100 grams, you require less amount of long hair compared with short hair. So you just need to weft less amount of long hair to make 100 grams, and so the weft track will become smaller if there is or long hair. So that's why it's normal for a longer hair bundle smaller than a shorter hair bundle. If it comes to one same length bundles like this two, if this weft is much smaller compared with this one, that means this hair it have a better fullness. We're talking about fullness. That means the long hair proportion in this bundle is bigger than this bundle. So let's see. This is literally a double drawn hair, and this is a regular fullness and bundles. And look, these two bundles have a totally different weft. If you open, this one could be very shorter compared with this one, right? So that means same length, that means this one have a better fullness and this one have a less fullness, which you can see have more short hairs compared with this one. The bigger it's better or the smaller it's better, that will be a question, right? If it's very smaller or like this, which is a double drawn, and that will be creating the problem of the cost. It's already being expensive, and if you want to make a head or in 20 inches, you might require 3 bundles or even 4 bundles for this one head, but with our bigger one, with our less full one, maybe you only require 2 or 3 bundles, right? So that will save you the cost as well. So let's see. So for me, natural fullness will be best. So on one way it save you on the cost, and on the other way it's also not thin. So for our hair bundles, we don't sell any thin bundles. So for no matter you taking A hair or A plus hair, or no matter you taking the raw hair, virgin hair, you won't feel it's very thin. That not happening to us, right? This is a 16 inches bundle. This is 26 inches bundle. I try to open that for you. So look, even though this is very long hair, it's not thin at all. So, and this is pretty nice. And this is 22 inches, and this is 22 inches and 20 inches. So hopefully you have a better idea about the fullness of the hair, Usually if the hair does not stop in any point abruptly, and that means this hair have a right fullness, not too thin, right? So check again for our hairs. So if you're looking for good hairs, you can contact me, and hopefully today's video can help you. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.